hideout, so I'm gonna face you the other way. I think we managed to make it back to where we were. A green screen for video production. This box is all the stuff I took from my workshop that has to do with the van. So these are all things I bought to work on the van, to do different things, various not these board games obviously, but things like, you know, connectors and things like that. I would have assumed soldering iron would be in here, but I did not find it. I'll keep looking. So these are little snaps that you use to hold the trim down on your car, especially around the engine bay. Got some board games, expansion packs, battery packs, O-rings, more electrical connecting maker things. Electrical connectors. This little box is for taking the O2 sensor off of an engine. You now join us down here. There's a TV right here. Light, materials, telescoping mirror. Drag that TV to the fabrics box. Paper towels, we need that. Lots of tools in it, no soldering iron. Fan, might need that. Box, good to hold stuff in. Forstner bit for drilling holes. Clamp, spoke shave for shaving. For shaving pieces of wood. This is a rotor for a wheel. Some materials, some Gatorade. Probably still good. Some materials, these are a bunch of exotic woods. Padauk. Ipe. This is a laminate that they made, I don't know. Some materials and other things. Clothes of mine. More paper towels. Oh, those are the same paper towels. This looks like project materials. Scissors, little containers. One can hope. Yes, little containers. Got a lot of these little metal models from Disney World. That's fun. A little bit of spray paint and scissors, sewing kit. This is for sitting on my butt. Man, check it out, old school Nintendo DS. See if it still works. No, no dog. Here's my legitimate college graduation stuff. That's fun. Set of drawers, very nice. More clothes that are still good. Nothing wrong with those. ring light, light bulb, PlayStation controller. Controllers and other things, bits and bobs, miscellaneous. Chair. Just like that, in this blue box right here, soldering iron. Finally, after how many days was that? It was 1 day, but 1 day and some changes. Lots of good stuff in that box. Oh boy. Oh well, we'll get to that later. Except now I'm trapped. I'm on it. I know things got a little tight in there, but we found our soldering iron. We are ready to continue with the repair as planned. Probably gonna end up truncating this into one video for Thursday. Stay tuned.